Yolo, and what's up? This is Mr. Singh, and welcome to 365 Diaries. Today is Jan 22nd, and I have a fresh new look. So, this is because I'm feeling very nice, I'm feeling positive. So, whenever I feel positive, I like to dress up, and that's how I portray my positiveness. So, if I'm wearing a cap, that means either I'm relaxed or I'm not in the mood to mingle. I am in a lazy mood, but today I'm in the mood to mingle and enjoy with you guys. So today I want to talk about something that every youth and every of one of us might have heard many times in our life, and it is log kya kahenge. Yes. So this is something that I'm sure you all can relate with, especially the younger generation. We've heard it from our parents, we've heard it from our elders. Sometimes we might have heard it from our friends also. Log kya kahenge. I don't like this. I hate this kind of thinking. I have my reasons, which I'll be stating later on. But what I understand from this is, and from where it is coming, is that in olden days people used to live in joint families. Families used to stay together. That's one thing. They used to stay in smaller settlements, not like big cities. So everyone basically knew everyone. They were like part of an extended family, where you would meet all of them in a day for sure, every day. So from there I think this thing has caught up, where the kids of that time were brought up with this thought that okay, if I do something, what will people say? So that thing should change with time, especially in 2021, where we do not really even know our neighbors, to be true. We live in gated communities and still we don't know each and everyone. Everyone is leading their own life in their 2 BHK, 3 BHK flat. That is their world, and nobody cares what the other person does. So in today's generation, when you hear log kya kahenge, it really doesn't matter that much. For me, it doesn't. For me, what matters is, if I am taking a decision, if I am thinking about something, the first thing that comes to my mind is, what will my parents think? Okay, for me, it's about my parents, my family, who have raised me up, who have seen my good times, seen my bad times. Their opinion matters to me. But when they say log kya kahenge, it sounds very funny, क्योंकि जो लोगों के बारे में वो बोल रहे हैं, the people that they are talking about, they don't know me, they have not raised me, they don't know my ups and downs, they have not seen me I wouldn't say depressed. They have not seen me in my bad times, they have not seen me in my good times. They have never been there to support me. My family stood by me. So when my family says log kya kahenge, I feel it is like, who are they to decide whether I do something or not? For me, if you think it is okay or not okay, please tell it. Do not blame. I wouldn't say blame, I would say do not tell it to the other person that उनके ऊपर डालो लोग क्या कहेंगे. I don't care. You tell me what you think about it, because that is what matters to me, not what the people think. It's not like I am saying anything against anti-society or something. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that why should our personal decisions be on log kya kahenge? For example, I want to become a DJ. भाई वो शर्मा जी का लड़का है, he is doing engineering, they are becoming doctors. लोग क्या कहेंगे, हमारा बेटा ऐसे, that kind of thing, it really puts today's youth very down. They feel very unconnected from their parents, and this is something where we are going wrong, where the generation gap comes in. So I would only suggest, forget this log kya kahenge thing. Understand what is important for your kid, whose opinion is important, and then respect that. When they try to share something, when they try to put a point of view in front of you, do not tell कि अरे यार लोग क्या कहेंगे, अब ये क्या हो गया, वो क्या हो गया. That's not a good way. And I'm not here to preach. You might be thinking my videos are going in preaching. No, I am just sharing my point of view. This is what I think. This is what I am. What my point of view is, how I see the world. This is what I am sharing. So I don't care log kya kahenge. I care what my mom thinks. I care what my dad thinks. I care what my sisters thinks. Sometimes, not all the time. Depends on the topic. And sometimes I'm thinking, I don't even care what they say. And most of the time, I don't even listen to what my parents think. Mostly. That is one big complaint. But yes, their opinion does matter to me. At the end, I do what I want to do, but I always take their inputs, think of it, make my own mistakes, and I learn. And that has, I've grown. I wouldn't say I've become mature, because that's a very big word. I am very immature, and till today, whenever I get an opportunity, if someone asks what I want is, I'll tell, give me a Hot Wheels or give me some toy. I am crazy about toys. I don't know, I'm 33 years old and I'm still crazy about toys. But yeah, it's like this. I don't want to lose the child in me to become mature per se. Why? I want to say the child in me and be mature. So when I need to be mature, I am mature. I can talk about topics very seriously. I can give an objective point of view. I can give a partial point of view. Depends on my mood. But yeah, I can give very good advice. I do give. And when I need to be immature, when I need to enjoy, I am immature. When one thing my sister told me once, when you watch TV and there's a joke, you laugh like itna khul ke, you laugh openly, like you don't care about what other people will think or what you're doing, So for me, that's natural. When I'm laughing, I will laugh khul ke. I don't care what other people around me are thinking. No, I want to laugh, I'll laugh openly. I want to cry, I'll cry openly. I want to cuss, I will cuss openly, but not here. This is not the way. Yeah. So, pretty excited. Finally, I'm out of the slum that I was in. So, very balanced life. Today I went to my parents' place. I had sarson ka saag with paranthas. I don't like makki ki roti. I don't know why. And I played with Coco, and I took Leo with me. He is sleeping there. And yesterday you might have seen a pig fly. That is his favorite toy, which he got after many days. So yeah, I went to my parents' place. I came back, I did my chores, everything is done. I have to log into my work now. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what I'll do, but I might be reading a book or something. I need to start one book. My niece has told me to start it, so I might start that. But I am in very high spirits, and as we say in Punjabi, chaddi kala. Yeah, so I am enjoying. I am back to being myself, and I will be bringing more awesome content and more topics to think about. I'm not trying to teach anyone. Again, I repeat that I'm not trying to teach or lecture anyone. It's my point of view. I don't like when they say log kya kahenge. For me, it doesn't matter. For me, what matters is my mom and my dad, and that's how it should be. Thank you. Have a great day. Do not forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon, like, and also comment so that we can talk about topics. I want to know your take on log kya kahenge. If you feel like, please comment your point of view on this particular topic. I would love to hear it from you. Take care. Bye bye.